Feeling tired all the time can be draining, affecting your daily life and overall well being. It's essential to understand the underlying causes of tiredness to regain your energy and live a healthier life. By identifying the root causes, you can take the first step towards a more energetic and productive you. Lack of sleep, poor diet, and stress are common causes of tiredness. When you don't get enough sleep, your body doesn't have the chance to repair and recharge, leading to fatigue. A balanced diet provides the necessary energy, while stress can deplete your energy levels. By addressing these causes, you can take the first step towards overcoming tiredness. Getting enough sleep is crucial for physical and mental health. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens your immune system. Adequate sleep also improves cognitive function, memory, and mood. By prioritizing sleep, you can wake up feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the day. Eating a balanced diet provides energy and supports overall health. A healthy diet includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods provide the necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to fuel your body and support energy production. By making informed food choices, you can maintain your energy levels and support your overall well being. Find healthy ways to cope with stress and improve your well being. Stress can have a significant impact on your energy levels, causing fatigue, anxiety, and burnout. By practicing stress reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing, you can manage stress and maintain your energy levels. Remember, taking care of your mental health is essential for overall well being. Establish a daily routine to improve your energy and productivity. A consistent routine helps regulate your body's internal clock, ensuring you get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, and engage in regular physical activity. By prioritizing your daily routine, you can boost your energy levels, stay focused, and achieve your goals. Find your motivation and stay committed to your goals. Setting realistic goals and tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and focused. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and don't be too hard on yourself when faced with setbacks. Remember, staying motivated is a journey, and it's essential to be patient, persistent, and kind to yourself. Take control of your energy and start living a healthier life. By understanding the causes of tiredness, prioritizing sleep, nutrition, and stress management, and establishing a daily routine, you can boost your energy levels and improve your overall well being. Remember, small changes can add up to make a significant difference in your life. Start your journey to better health and energy today. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've learned something new about managing your energy levels. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content, and join our community to stay up to date on the latest tips and advice.